Hey, if your Google Pixel Watch 3 keeps disconnecting from your phone, there's like several factors could be causing this issue, and I've got few common reasons and solution for this. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to open the settings by using crowd control for sure. We have to go into the settings, then we have to go for the connectivity, and we have to be sure that we just enabled the Bluetooth. So when I set up this device for the first time, the Bluetooth was actually turned off, and I was getting this disconnecting information on my watch face. It was visible right here, and also on my phone I've got this information that I was disconnected, but as you can see, after a few moments I'm connected back. So this is the first issue that was actually happening in my case. It was connecting and disconnecting. So to fix this, you just have to go into this Bluetooth settings and simply turn it on. Just like this, Bluetooth, and here be sure that you turn it on. Also, there's the distance. So you have to ensure that your Google Pixel Watch 3 and your phone are within the effective Bluetooth range. It's around 10 meters, and if it's actually keep disconnecting, you can simply try to restart your Google Pixel Watch 3 and your connected smartphone. And there's also issue with the battery saver mode. If either the phone or the watch is in the battery saver mode, it may actually limit the background processes, including, for example, the Bluetooth connectivity. So we have to ensure that the battery saver is off on our watch, on our phone, or we can actually configure it to allow the Bluetooth. And there's also the software glitches. So we have to be sure that our Google Pixel Watch 3 and our smartphone run for the latest version of the software. And on the Pixel Watch 3, you can do this by going into the settings. Then you will have to keep scrolling for system and go for the system update. Be sure that you are up to date, and just do the same on your smartphone. So in the most Android phones, you will have to go into the settings. You will have to keep scrolling for system, and now we have to search for software updates. It's just right here. And as you can see, in my case, I've got new software updates, so I have to actually install this. And as you can see right here, we can even find information that this update fixed critical bugs and improve the performance and stability of our device. Next, there's also sometimes, the hardware issues. So if none of all of these tips works, then the issue could be a hardware related. So we can simply try to contact the Google support or visiting a service center for further diagnostic. That might be necessary. And that will be all. Tell me if it works, if these tips were useful for you. Thanks for watching.